Hi, my name is Shine Radowski, and this is my presentation on bullying and suicide. Bullying is any unwanted aggressive behavior that involves a real or perceived power imbalance. Some statistics of bullying are 20% of students ages 12 to 18 experience some sort of bullying, 30% of students have admitted to bullying, 70.6% of students say they have seen bullying in their schools, and 70.4% of staff have seen bullying in their schools. Suicide is a death by self-inflicted injury, which can ultimately come from bullying. Some statistics are suicide rates among 10 to 14-year-olds have grown more than 50% in the last 3 decades. Students who experience bullying or cyberbullying are nearly 2 times more likely to attempt suicide, and suicide is the second leading cause of death for individuals 10 to 34 years of age. There are different types of bullying. There's cyberbullying, verbal bullying, social bullying, and physical bullying. Cyberbullying takes place over digital devices. The teacher that I interviewed for this project reported that she saw more cyberbullying that would carry over into her academic day. And this includes things such as text, social media, so Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. Verbal bullying is saying or writing mean things, so like teasing, name-calling. Social bullying is hurting someone's reputation or relationships, so spreading rumors. When I did my student teaching internship, I saw more social and verbal bullying in like the middle school age kids. And then physical bullying is hurting a person's body or possessions, so hitting, kicking, spitting. So who's targeted with bullying and how we can prevent it? Targeted children are usually those who are perceived as different, so kids with special needs like a physical or learning disability, kids of a different social status, kids who are part of the LGBT plus community. Students who are perceived as weak are usually targeted, and those with low self-esteem or who aren't considered popular by their peers are targeted. And how we can prevent it is to help your child, if you have children at home, understand what bullying is. You can provide a safe and welcoming atmosphere in your classroom so that children who are bullied feel welcome and safe in that area. Practice what you preach. Model how to treat people. Show your children how you expect them to treat others. And then encourage them by telling them, hey, if someone's being bullied, report it. Suicide. Bullying and suicide are closely related. Most students involved with bullying are more likely to engage in suicide-related behaviors. Both bullying and suicide are public health problems, and circumstances that relate to both of these are emotional distress. So, just like not getting the mental health care that they need can cause this. Exposure to violence, whether that's video games or real-life violence. Family conflict, alcohol, drug use, and then physical and learning disabilities. Students who experience bullying or cyberbullying are nearly 2 times more likely to attempt suicide. How we can prevent this is provide better training for staff in schools that work with youth, create safe environments for your students, and provide support and referrals for all youth involved, include their families. Some resources that you can use if you or someone you know is struggling with bullying or suicide thoughts. If someone's in immediate danger, call 911. You can contact the National Suicide Prevention Hotline, find a counselor for mental health. You can contact school administration if it's happening within the school, and then some websites that provide great resources are stopbullying.gov and the cdc.gov. Thank you.